Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make lip gloss using Versagel lip gloss base. So I'll be showing you guys three different lip glosses. The first is a clear uncolored lip gloss. The second is a clear colored lip gloss but doesn't show on the lips, while the third is a colored lip gloss that actually shows on the lips. I'm super excited for this video, so let's jump right into it. These are the items you will need to make the first lip gloss. You will need Versagel lip gloss base. I got mine from Amazon. You'll also need an oil of your choice. I am using sweet almond oil. You can use jojoba oil or coconut oil if you want your lip gloss without any yellow tint. You'll also need vitamin E oil. This acts as an antioxidant and will prevent your lip gloss from going rancid. You'll need any flavoring oil of your choice. I am using bubblegum flavored oil and I got mine from Amazon as well. All the measurements will be in the description box below, so do check it out. You'll also need your digital scale for measuring, your mixing bowl, a designated spoon for mixing, a 10 ml syringe for transferring into your lip gloss container, and most importantly, you'll need your lip gloss container. Making a lip gloss is very easy. You just need to get the right equipment and ingredients as well as the right measurements, and everything is pretty much straightforward. So for this first lip gloss, I will measure out all the ingredients that I need into my mixing bowl.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
After all your ingredients have been weighed into the mixing bowl, then you start mixing everything together till you get a smooth consistency. Once that's done, you transfer your lip gloss into your lip gloss container using your syringe. So there you go guys, your clear uncolored lip gloss is ready. Hey, enjoying the video so far? Then don't hesitate to click that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you get notified each time I post a new video. And also give me a thumbs up because that tells me that you like the video and it encourages me to do more. Thank you! For the second lip gloss, which is the clear colored lip gloss, all you need is everything we used in the first lip gloss plus your mica powders. You can add glitters if you want, but in this video I am keeping it really simple and I'm just going to be adding this mica powder. So I'll repeat everything that I did in the first lip gloss. Now that I have all my ingredients except the mica powder in my mixing bowl, I'll go ahead and mix thoroughly to achieve a smooth consistency. After that, I'll add my mica powder and mix thoroughly as well. Now that I have a smooth consistency, I'll transfer that into my lip gloss container. And there you go, guys. You have your clear colored lip gloss. The last but not the least is our colored lip gloss. All you need for this lip gloss is everything we used in the second lip gloss plus our white lip liquid pigment. I got mine from Etsy. This will prevent the lip gloss from being transparent so that the mica powders that you add will actually show on your lips. So once again, I'll repeat the steps that we did for the first lip gloss.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
At this point, I'll go ahead to add my white lip liquid pigment, and then I'll add my mica powder. I'll mix thoroughly and until I achieve a very smooth consistency. Then I'll transfer into my lip gloss container. So there you go, guys, your colored lip gloss. And like I said earlier, all the measurements are in the description box below. And we have come to the end of today's video. I really enjoyed doing this. And if you enjoyed the video as well, please give this video a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. Also, make your comments in the comment section below and subscribe if you haven't done so already. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.